Topic 1. The potential U.S. government shutdown poses significant economic threats, delaying crucial jobs reports and impacting financial planning. The ongoing U.S. government shutdown is having a major impact on the economy. The employment report, typically released on the first Friday of each month, will not be published this time, obstructing a key avenue for assessing the health of the U.S. labor market. Employees of the Bureau of Labor Statistics are temporarily furloughed due to the shutdown, causing delays in report releases. This situation leaves the Federal Reserve without critical data needed for interest rate decisions, complicating economic policymaking. Although economists believe the direct economic impact of the shutdown may be minimal, the uncertainty stemming from the lack of data remains a significant concern. Topic 2. OpenAI's valuation soars to $500 billion, highlighting the transformative impact of AI and its potential as the world's most valuable startup. OpenAI has recently raised its valuation to $500 billion through stock sales, positioning itself as a potential leader among the world's most valuable startups. This stock sale, aimed at retaining employees, saw participation from investors like Thrive Capital, Dragoneer Investment Group, T. Rowe Price, Japan's SoftBank, and UAE's MGX. Originally founded as a nonprofit research institute in 2015, OpenAI is now experiencing rapid growth, reflecting high expectations for the future of AI technology. Despite concerns about an AI bubble due to its lack of profitability, CEO Sam Altman remains confident that AI will drive economic growth, scientific breakthroughs, and enhance quality of life. OpenAI has also launched partnerships with Etsy and Shopify for online shopping and introduced a social media app, Sora, for AI video creation and sharing. Topic 3. Rising mortgage rates in the U.S. reflect ongoing financial market fluctuations, with rates reaching 6.334%. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate in the U.S. has risen to 6.34%, marking the second consecutive increase following a recent decline. This rise is influenced by various factors, including the Federal Reserve's interest rate policies and bond market investors' expectations regarding the economy and inflation. Mortgage rates tend to follow the yield on 10-year Treasury bonds. Although Treasury yields have recently dropped due to negative reports about the U.S. economy, particularly the labor market, mortgage rates continue to climb. This trend reflects the housing market's downturn since 2022, with economists predicting that the 30-year mortgage rate will remain in the mid-6% range for the year. Topic 4. India and China resume direct flights after a 5-year hiatus, signaling a potential thaw in bilateral relations. India and China are set to resume direct flights after a 5-year suspension, indicating a possible improvement in bilateral relations. The direct flights were halted in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic and ongoing border tensions, but some routes are expected to reopen at the end of October as part of efforts to normalize relations. India's low-cost airline Indigo announced it will resume flights between Kolkata and Guangzhou starting October 26. This move follows Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to China for a regional security forum aimed at enhancing ties. The resumption of flights can be seen as a sign of recovery in relations, which had soured following clashes in the Himalayan region in 2020. Topic 5. The dissolution of the banking industry's Net Zero Alliance highlights challenges in environmental commitments and climate action. The Net Zero Banking Alliance, NZBA, a group aimed at setting net zero targets for the global banking industry, has announced its immediate dissolution. This decision comes amid a global climate commitment crisis. The NZBA faced challenges after many banks withdrew following Donald Trump's re-election, leading remaining members to shift from a member-based alliance to a framework. This has resulted in the